Think you're too lazy to ever be productive? Perfect, because the truth is you don't need to be some 5 a.m. monk or disciplined machine. If you can procrastinate and still click on this video, you already have everything it takes to outwork people who grind all day. I'll show you how AI makes that possible. Here's the problem. Most productivity advice is designed for people who already aren't lazy. You've seen it. Wake up at 5 a.m., drink green juice, read 20 pages, cold shower, journal, meditate. Bro, by the time they finish that routine, half the day is gone. And here's the kicker. If you're naturally lazy or prone to procrastination, that kind of advice doesn't just fail you, it makes you feel broken, like something's wrong with you because you can't force yourself into robot mode. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Productivity isn't about willpower anymore, it's about leverage. Think about it. The old school system was whoever works hardest wins. But in 2025, the game flipped. Whoever knows how to make AI work for them wins. And right now, most people are still stuck in that old school mindset, grinding 10 hours to get results that someone using AI can do in 2. So the real problem isn't that you're lazy. The problem is you're still playing the game like it's 2010. You're trying to sprint while the new winners are driving race cars. Okay, so if old school productivity is about grinding, the new school productivity is about designing shortcuts that actually work. And the best part, you don't even need to be disciplined. You just need to set up the right systems. Let me break down my lazy framework step by step. Step 1. Brain dump, not brain power. Most people waste energy deciding what to do. You sit there staring at your to-do list like it's written in alien language. Instead, offload it. Open ChatGPT or any AI assistant and literally type, "Here's everything I need to do today, organize it for me." Boom, instant clarity. The AI becomes your manager, you just follow the script. Lazy win number 1, no overthinking, no decision fatigue. Step 2, templates are king. Why reinvent the wheel? Emails, reports, captions, even study notes, 90% of it is copy-paste work. So the lazy move? Build AI templates once, then reuse forever. Tell the AI, give me a perfect email template for this situation that I can use every time. You're no longer writing emails, you're just sending them. Lazy win number 2, one-time effort, infinite reuse. Step 3, automate the annoying stuff. The things you procrastinate on the most, they're usually repetitive. Scheduling meetings, summarizing articles, tracking tasks, instead of forcing discipline, automate them. Use AI tools that read, summarize, schedule, and even reply automatically. That's not cheating, that's efficiency. Lazy win number 3, your boring tasks disappear while you chill. Step 4, outsource your brain. This is my favorite. You don't need to remember everything, you just need an external brain. So use AI as your second memory. Example, store your notes, thoughts, book highlights into AI. Later just ask, hey, what were my 3 takeaways from blank book? Instead of rereading 300 pages, AI hands you your own curated notes. Lazy win number 4, knowledge on demand, zero mental load. Step 5, energy management, time management. Here's where most people mess up. They try to push through when they're tired, and of course they procrastinate. The lazy solution? Only do high energy work when your energy is naturally up. The rest, dump to AI. For example, if you're tired but need an outline, don't fight it, ask AI to draft it. You wake up with a head start tomorrow. Lazy win number 5, productivity even when you're running on fumes. Put it all together and here's the framework. Don't fight your laziness, channel it. Every time you feel like procrastinating, ask, can I make AI do this instead? 9 times out of 10, the answer is yes. And suddenly your laziness turns into a competitive advantage because you're doing in 2 hours what the grindset guys do in 10. Now here's the crazy part. When you start using this lazy framework with AI, something weird happens. You look productive without actually grinding. Think about it. Instead of spending 3 hours researching, you spent 5 minutes prompting. Instead of stressing over what to do next, your tasks are organized for you. Instead of feeling guilty about procrastination, you've outsourced it. The result is you look like that guy in your class, your office, your friend group, the one who's always ahead that gets stuff done, but somehow never looks stressed. And here's the bigger mindset shift. Productivity is no longer about effort, it's about leverage. The old game was who can work the hardest. The new game is who can work the smartest with AI. When you embrace that, your laziness isn't a weakness anymore. It's proof that you're optimizing. Because the truth is, no one cares how hard you worked, they only care about the results. And the best part is once you see results stacking, better grades, more free time, finishing projects early, you don't just feel productive, you feel confident because you've cracked the code, doing less while getting more. So here's the truth, if you're still stuck in that old mindset of I need to grind harder to be productive, you're playing the wrong game. Productivity today is about leverage. The laziest guy in the room with the right AI tools will always beat the hardest worker still stuck doing things manually. Now imagine this, next week you could either be the same person, drowning in to-do lists and procrastination guilt, or you could be the person who finishes their work early, chills while everyone else is stressed, and still gets the recognition for being on top of everything. That's the choice. And if you've watched this far, I know you're ready to choose smarter. So if you want to keep riding this wave with me, hit that subscribe button. Not because it helps me, but because you don't want to miss the next shortcut that could literally save you hours of your life.